Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and this video is totally about creating phylogenetic tree. And you know why we create phylogenetic tree? It is because we want to see relationships between among the species and how it is being done here is not on physical characteristics but totally on DNA sequence or cDNA sequence, which is derived from RNA. And with the relationship for that, the sequence that you want, you will normally have your own decoded sequence if you are doing your own experiment. Obviously, you don't do this on other people's data, but if you do like to create that on other people data, you are still able to do so. And you can, if they have not done it, and you collect a number of sequences and then you want to analyze it, this is the way to do it. Obviously, these are web-based tools. We are not going to be using Unix-based or Linux-based tools, which is actually Mega 10 these days. So that's the one we are not going to be using. We are only going to apply web-based, which is quite user-friendly, and it's a lot easier because you don't need to install any of the software. It is basically available to you online, and you can continue just using it and then just go on. If you don't need it, you don't have to utilize your own computer space. So here, what we need is, first of all, we want to download some sequences, and how to download DNA sequences from NCBI. You will get this, and certainly you have now the NCBI site. Now, this is the first one. This is the one that you want to go to, and if you click on this, you will basically jump to this. And here I have selected a gene already that is called COX1. And why I have selected this? You can select a number of genes and simply you can Google or ask ChatGPT to tell you what gene you want to select. But the gene, with ChatGPT, you can simply say, I want to use sequences to create phylogenetic tree, and it knows. It's an AI tool, and it knows. It will give you suggestions, it will tell you. And even if you still don't remember it, the chat gpt still doesn't do it, you can ask chat gpt, what kind of sequences do I need to create a phylogenetic tree? It will still give it to you. But as a student, you would want to know the answer. The answer is the sequence that you want to select, it should be pretty much conserved within the same species. So within the species, it should be conserved, and across the species, like one from species to species, it should also have some variations. Obviously, if there is no variation, then you will not be able to create a tree, since the software would see it as the same sequence, and the same sequence means it is derived from the same species. That's what the software will see. So the software only make the tree when there are differences from species to species. Exactly, we got it. So here you can see I am going to use COX1 gene. And if you look at this drop down menu, all I want is I want nucleotide sequence, right? And all you have to do is search, and here you go. So you got several sequences. And what I have done here is click these boxes next to it. Just wanted to save time. So this box, if you see, it will be like this when you get the sequence, and all you have to do is click and click. This click means you are selecting them. And on the same page, on this one page, we have from 1 to 20 sequences. So these are labeled right there. at the bottom. So there are 20 sequences, and all I want to do is download these 20 sequences. So download, there is no download button, but if you look at it, I have a send to button. So in here I have checked animal, here I have checked mRNA because I want to take either the genomic sequence or the messenger RNA sequences, right? Because if you have mRNA versus genomics, then there will be this problem of exon intron. The genomics will have exon and intron, whereas the mRNA will not have the intron. So the alignment and the phylogenetic tree will get confused, and it will assume the introns are actually the differences in between those sequences if you don't have the same sequence, because you want to compare apple to apple, you don't want to compare apple with bananas. So mRNA compared with the genomic DNA is like comparing apple with a banana, right? So we are here, we selected all mRNA sequences. So here what I will do is uh, send to so I'm going, okay, so let's see if we can download them from using this send to button. Okay, it's having some issues here. Okay, so with this, all you have to do is send to, and all you do is to file, and obviously you want to have FASTA. So you need to change these things here. You don't want summary and all those things. Sort by default order, it doesn't really make a difference. It's fine. So these are the options. I'm sure you can see that. And then you just say create file, right? So now you have sequence.fasta. I have here the one came with it because I already have one file with this name saved. So with this, I will now make other videos. This will be phylogenetic tree part 1, and then there will be other parts, and I hope to finish it in a few parts and in the shortest time, so it's easier for you to listen to it again and again. So for now, let's stop this one, and we will go to the next video soon.